Welcome back to EngLamp, your daily dose of English learning and speaking practice. I'm Nathan, and I'm here to help you speak English with confidence and clarity. If you're watching this, that means you're serious about improving your English. And today's topic is one of the biggest challenges learners face: how to create correct, clear, and connected English sentences. Most of you know English words. You even understand English when others speak. But when it comes to creating your own sentence, especially in speaking or writing, you get stuck. You forget grammar, you miss words, or you don't know how to link your ideas. So in this session, we'll cover the following: the basic structure of a sentence. How to grow a sentence from simple to advanced. Common mistakes learners make in grammar and word order. How to fix those mistakes. Linking sentences and ideas smoothly. Tips to speak and write better sentences. Live practice and repetition. And finally, how to train your mind to create sentences automatically. So grab your pen and paper, get comfortable, and let's begin this journey together. Let's start with why mistakes happen. A lot of people say, "He go to college every day." This is wrong. Why? Because the subject is he, a singular third person. So the verb must be goes. Correct. He goes to college every day. Another common mistake. They tells news of the world. Here, they is plural. The verb should not have s. Correct, they tell the news of the world. Now here's a simple trick. If the subject is he, she, it, or a name, you add s or es to the verb in simple present tense. Examples: she plays football. He drinks coffee. It rains a lot in July. But for I, you, we, they, don't add s to the verb. They eat lunch at 1 p.m. We go to school together. Let's practice together. I'll say a sentence. You repeat it and correct if needed. Sentence 1, he eat mangoes every summer. Correct it. He eats mangoes every summer. Sentence 2, I goes to market. Correct it, I go to market. Sentence 3, they works hard. Correct it, they work hard. Always check subject-verb agreement. Now let's review the basic sentence structure again. Every sentence in English needs 3 key parts: subject, verb, object. Or simply SVO. Examples: I, subject, drink, verb, tea, object. She writes a letter. They watch movies. Now, let's grow this sentence step by step. Start simple, he studies. Moderate, he studies in the evening. Advanced, he studies in the evening to prepare for his civil service exam. Even more advanced, he studies quietly in the evening to prepare for his civil service exam because he believes education is the key to success. The technique we are using here is sentence expansion. Ask yourself: when? Where? Why? How? With whom? What kind? Let's try another. Simple, I cook. Moderate, I cook dinner every night. Advanced, I cook healthy dinner every night for my family. More advanced, I cook healthy and delicious dinner every night for my family because I believe good food keeps everyone happy and strong. Do this exercise daily. Choose one action and build 3 to 4 versions of that sentence. Let's now discuss common grammar mistakes. Mistake: she don't like coffee. Correct: she doesn't like coffee. Why? Because with she, we use does in questions or negative forms. Let's look at negative forms. I don't like cold water. He doesn't watch horror movies. We don't eat junk food. She doesn't understand Spanish. In question forms. Does he speak English? Do they know the answer? Does she live nearby? Do you work on Sundays? Notice, if you use does or doesn't, don't add s to the verb. Not, does she goes to school? Correct, does she go to school? Let's now talk about tenses, another area where learners struggle. Present: I walk to the office every day. Past: I walked to the office yesterday. Future: I will walk to the office tomorrow. People often mix up tenses, like, yesterday I go to school. It should be, yesterday I went to school. Some quick corrections. Wrong: she did not went. Correct: she did not go. Wrong: he was go to market. Correct: he went to the market. Wrong: I am wake up at 7. Correct: I wake up at 7. Or, I am waking up at 7 today because I have an exam. Let's now talk about linking thoughts. This is what makes your sentences fluent and professional. Instead of I was tired. I didn't go. Try, I didn't go because I was tired. Or, since I was tired, I decided to stay home. Use linking words. Because, although, since, even though, however, so, but, and, while, if, unless. Examples. Although it was late, we continued studying. She failed the test because she didn't prepare. He wanted to leave, but I convinced him to stay. I enjoy swimming and running during the summer. These make your sentences flow better and sound natural. Let's now move into some live practice and sentence expansion. I'll give you a simple sentence. Try building it in your notebook. Sentence: they play. Moderate: they play cricket in the park. Advanced: they play cricket in the park every weekend to stay fit and active. Another: I eat. Moderate: I eat fruits every day. Advanced: I eat fresh fruits every day in the morning to keep myself healthy. One more: she writes. Moderate: she writes poems in her diary. Advanced: she writes beautiful poems in her diary whenever she feels emotional. Now let's talk about how to train your mind to form sentences without effort. Tip 1: Think in English. Don't translate from your language. Tip 2: Speak full thoughts, not single words. Tip 3: Read loud every day, newspapers, dialogues, storybooks. Tip 4: Record yourself speaking and check if your sentences are complete. Tip 5: Watch and repeat, listen to English videos and say the sentences again in your own way. Tip 6: Write small paragraphs daily, describe your day, your goals, your plans. Tip 7: Talk to yourself in English, describe what you're doing, now I'm making tea, I will call my friend, etc. Let's now cover some useful sentence models for daily use. I want to share a few more examples to help you understand sentence building better. Simple, I go to school. Moderate, I go to school by bus every day. Advanced, I go to school by bus every day because it's faster and more convenient than walking. Simple, he watches TV. Moderate, he watches TV in the evening after work. Advanced, he watches TV in the evening after work to relax and catch up on the news. Simple, they are playing. Moderate, they are playing football at the stadium. Advanced, they are playing a football match at the stadium to qualify for the state-level competition. Simple, we are learning. Moderate, we are learning new grammar rules. Advanced, we are learning new grammar rules to improve our sentence formation and writing skills. Before we close this session, I want to tell you this: English is not about memorizing big words or speaking fast. It's about clarity, structure, and practice. Always ask: is my sentence complete? Does it make sense? Can I add more details? Is my grammar correct? If yes, you're making progress. Now as we come to the end of this session, watch this video again and again. Don't just listen, pause and practice with your pen and notebook. Try to build your own sentences. If you do this regularly, your speaking and writing will improve like never before. Thank you for watching EngLamp. If you found this video useful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such lessons. I'm Nathan, and I'll see you in the next video with more powerful English lessons. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and never stop practicing.